welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to unbox a smartwatch. This one, it took me a while to choose on which is the best one is for me in my opinion. So let's get it on with this. So I'm going to unbox a Huawei Watch 3 Pro. So this one, I know it was released around June or July in Malaysia. So today I'll be doing an unboxing and I'm going to share with you some comparison with the old watch I have and also some of the updates on why I choose this one. So let's open up this one. Okay, so far I already set up this one. So I got the classic. So the classic one comes with a leather strap. And also this is the first Huawei one to comes with a wireless charging. So far I haven't actually charged using this charger because I have a lot of wireless charging because of my Xperia. So this is the charging port. Okay, let's put aside this one and some documentation with the warranty and for the app. So far that's it in the box. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, so I'll give you some idea about the specs for those who doesn't have any idea about the specs for this phone. So this phone has a dimension of 48mm, 49.6mm by 14mm. So it's really thick. If you have a big wrist like me, this one is really good. So this one actually weighs around 63 grams without the strap. It has a 1.43-inch AMOLED. So for resolution one, this one has 466 by 466 pixel. And the Ppi is 326. So if you notice, this one is titanium with ceramic back. Better I show you the back one. And a sapphire. So this one got the crown, same as like the Apple Watch. Press it again. So I set this one for phones. You can change this one to any. And it's using a 22mm strap. So you can buy any 22mm. So this is the first wireless charging like I mentioned. And also it's a 580M water resistant. So as of now, this watch has the latest version which I downloaded once I managed to get it. And I can see with this watch, normally like for the GT series, you need to sync to the phone to download the new firmware. But for this one, you need to link this one to your Wi-Fi. So for Wi-Fi, it supports 2.4 GHz. Bluetooth is already on 5.2. Also, this one supports eSIM. So you can use this one as a normal phone. So all the notification, battery. Okay, so like I mentioned, the build version, latest one is the 2.16. So far, what's good with this update for those who actually bought this phone and have an update, I'll give you some so far the major update. So this one got already the jump rope model updated. They also added now quick reply. If you have Messenger, WhatsApp, or SMS, you can already reply on the watch itself. They also add like a power consumption for the watches. So it will tell you on which one is using more power for the watch face. So they added also a media volume control. Another one, they already add a manually sync contact from your phone. And they improved mostly the battery life for this one. So this one, if they mention on the website, they have 5 days smart and ultra battery like GT series up to 21 days, because this phone got 790 battery life, battery capacity. So let's compare it with my old watch. So I have a watch, my old watch, GT2. This is a 46mm, but you see it's a difference. Of course, we know the other one actually have, this one has only 32 MB RAM with 4 gig storage, but this one got 2 gig RAM and 16 gig storage. Also got NFC and GPS built-in. So I'll show you also the difference with the charging. This is for the GT2. Needs to contact to charge, and like earlier one I show you, it's the wireless charging. So this is 10 watts charging. I tried to charge my watch on a 5 watts because I just tried to see on how is it with different kinds of wireless charging. So I have the very old Samsung 5 watts. The watch actually got overheat. So I suggest better you charge it on a 10 watts. So that's it for my unboxing and some comparison with the old GT. So I hope you like my video, and sooner I'll be uploading some of my videos for my vacation. Have a nice day and see you on my next video.